Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your M&T Bank debit card step by step clearly. First, take your new M&T Bank debit card out of the envelope and check that your name is correct. Look for any activation sticker on the front of the card and keep it for the phone number or instructions. Turn the card over and find the customer service or activation phone number on the back. Make sure you have your card, your social security number or tax ID, if required, and your billing zip code ready. Choose the activation method that is easiest for you: phone, mobile app, or ATM. If you want to activate by phone, call the number printed on the sticker or the back of the card. When the automated system answers, select the option for Activate Card or Card Activation. Enter your full card number when the system asks for it. Enter your card expiration date and the security code if requested. Confirm your identity by entering your zip code and any additional details the system requests. Listen carefully for the confirmation message that your card is now active. If the call transfers you to a representative, ask them to activate your debit card and follow their questions. If you prefer the mobile app, install the official M&T mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your M&T online banking username and password. If you do not have online access yet, tap the enrollment option and follow the prompts to create your login. After signing in, go to the Cards or Card Management section in the app menu. Select your new debit card from the list of cards connected to your account. Tap Activate Card and confirm the activation request on the screen. Wait for the success message in the app confirming the card is active. For ATM activation, go to an M&T Bank ATM or a compatible ATM that accepts your card network. Insert your debit card into the ATM and enter the PIN that was mailed to you or the PIN you set. If you do not have a PIN yet, follow the bank's instructions to set or request one before using the ATM method. Complete a simple transaction such as a balance inquiry to trigger activation. Take your card back and keep the receipt only if you need it. Then dispose of it safely. After activation, sign the signature panel on the back of your card using permanent ink. Test your card with a small purchase and choose Debit to confirm the PIN works, or Credit if you plan to use signature transactions. Set up account alerts in the app so you get notified of purchases and can detect fraud quickly. Store the bank's phone number and lock or freeze card option location so you can act fast if the card is lost. Subscribe to the channel and like the video for more clear banking guides. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.